Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of a table in Excel and save it as picture using Paint. Let's get started. First, open your Excel file and navigate to the table you want to screenshot. Then click and drag to select the entire table. With the table selected, press Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy it. Next, open Paint. You can do this by searching for Paint in the search menu and clicking on the Paint application. Go to search bar, then Paint. Once Paint is open, press Ctrl V to paste the table into Paint. You should see your table appear in the Paint window. Now you can adjust the size and position of the table within Paint. Use the selection tool to move the table around if needed. So to save the image, click on File in the top left corner. Then select Save As. Choose the format you prefer, such as PNG or JPG, and give your file name and click Save to save the image to your computer. Then save. And that's it. You've successfully taken a screenshot of a table in Excel and save it as picture using Paint. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.